Hey, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Something different for you today. I recently interviewed Jack from the platform, the money-raising platform Equitise, about how they're going to help us create a brand new crowdsourced business here in Australia. If you'd like to find out more about what we're doing with the crowdsourced business, there's a link just below for that. You can find out more about what we're doing, and if you're interested in investing, you're welcome to register your interest also via that link as well. So this video is me asking Jack a question all about the relationship between Equitise and how they're able to help Aussies just like you and me invest in these groundbreaking businesses. So let's get into it. Who regulates Equitise? Are you legit?
We are very legit. As I said, yeah, we're one of the first to lobby the government. Australia is a very heavily regulated place for investment, especially when it's targeted towards retail investors. So yeah, we have a financial license. Our director is responsible for that. He ultimately signs off on everything. As I said, we're working on an offer document at the moment. That is a ASIC regulated documents. Everything in there needs to be exact. There can't be any misleading statements. Everything is vetted by us. So yeah, it's a very sort of heavily vetted and regulated process.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life, with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.